Okay, so this video is going to be about the changing of base and using that to find t. For this first part, we're just going to write down what that change of base is going to look like. So if you have log base a, so some number a, to some number b, when you're going to be putting that into the calculator, you're going to change that to be the log of b over the log of a. So if we had log base 3 of 7 in the calculator, you would put down log of 7 over log of 3. So the way that we're going to be using that, you'll see in problem 4. In problem 4, we're first going to set these two equal to each other. And then just like what we've been doing in the past, we want to get this exponential by itself. So we'll divide both sides by 200. That gives us 5 equals the 2 to the 0.5x. Now, it might help to rewrite this just so that's on the other side again. And we can do the snail method. And we'll have log base 2 of 5 equals 0.5x. Now though, we cannot put this in the calculator just by clicking that log button. So we will rewrite this with the change of base to be log of 5 over the log of 2 equals the 0.5x. That log of 5 divided by log of 2 is just about 2.3. And after we divide by the 1/2 for both sides, we'll have x equals right about 4.6. So in this problem, it's saying that it would take 4.6 days to go from 206 to 1,000. If you have any questions on any of this, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night and see you tomorrow.